Hi, in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create thumbnails for YouTube, Fiverr gigs, or Facebook posts in a professional way using Microsoft PowerPoint. So first of all, I will remove the background from my image so that I can add it to the thumbnail I'm creating. So here's the process. You just need to go to remove.bg, upload your image, and it will automatically remove your background. Then you can edit it further to remove or adjust any extra things which it has left. For example, you can see it has left some things near my hand, so I'm removing it right now. Okay. So it's done. Yes, so now it's a usable image. I've downloaded the image, saved it on my desktop. Now let's go to the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so here I just want to add some image on which I can create my thumbnail. So I will take the source from Microsoft PowerPoint's stock images. You can also download any image from the Google, which is a license free for use. So I'll search a board here because I just want to make some a thumbnail like in which I'm telling something on the board. Okay, so the image is being downloaded. It's done. Now let's adjust the image on our slide so that we can add our own image. I'll remove the extra text boxes. I'll fix the image in the slide like this. Done. Okay, now let's add our own image with the remove background. So just select it, drag it in the Microsoft PowerPoint. Now I just want to flip it because my hands are on the side from where I want to start writing. So I will go to the flip pan and flip it like uh, 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 hmm, okay, yes. So I'll flip it from here, flip horizontally. Now if I want to add an outline to my image, I'll show you how can we add an outline to image. Normally outline looks good, very good when you have a very different image which is not linked with the background image, but I just want to show you how to add an outline and to just to beautify it. So you can see you can go in the format picture, add some glow, and you are done. Now quickly select the font and write whatever we want to write. Make sure you write in a fairly bigger size because when it goes to the thumbnail, a bigger size looks very great. So I have selected a font which looks like a handwriting, so it matches my image, and I'll change the color of the font like color of chalk. So let's change it as well. Done. So we can also add a glow to our text if your background is darker one, or you want to choose a different color for your font. So this is a simple way you can create a slide and you can save it as an image and upload wherever you want to upload it. So here I just want to show you how we can add a glow to our text so that this process also clear to you guys. So go to the format shape, text options, then select the center one, A, yeah, and then glow. You can select the preset colors, and then you can select any, and then you can change according to your requirement. So you can change the size, you can change the transparency, same as we did in the image. So hopefully you liked the video. If you really liked it, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel for such amazing videos. Thank you so much.